Hello friends, Anthony Usera here. We're going to go through our mineral solution and instructions for how to make and use. So you have a few things that came in your kit. One of the first things you'll notice is a small bottle like this. This is for people who are immediately not feeling well and you just want to be able to take the stuff right away without having to figure out how to make it. So I included this along with a small 1 milliliter syringe. So I'll go ahead and open that. So we have a 1 milliliter syringe in order to take just a small amount of the stuff. So you would take 1 milliliter of this. Perfect. For 100 milliliters of water, or a little over 3 ounces. So you would add this to that and then drink this over the course of, well, within the next few minutes in order to keep maximum potency. In order to keep the potency, just store this in a cool, dark place. So out of direct sunlight especially, it is light sensitive. As long as it's still kind of yellow, then you know it still has the potency. If you do store it in cold, like the refrigerator, then that'll help it to last even longer. Already I took just a little bit out of the jar, and you can see a little bit of the gas coming out of the solution. That's why we use such a small jar, so that there won't be a large empty volume, and it'll help it to maintain the strength. Also, we have the same solution, CDS, in a nasal spray form. So for this, you go ahead and put it where it goes and give it a puff as you at the same time. So it'd go up, and same thing here. It'll burn a little bit, but it's going to clear your sinuses like nothing else. Really good, really good. A popular one here. And then here we have it also in spray form. So this is good for places where you would like to help to oxygenate your scalp, for instance, or anywhere over skin of your body. Don't worry, if it gets in your eye, it wouldn't be the worst thing. It doesn't hurt. We've had people actually spray it directly in their eye for issues of the eye that they've had. So this is good for any skin, for psoriasis, eczema areas. If you have any skin blemishes, we put this on directly after the shower, just a spray or two. Again, keep it out of the sun. In the bathroom medicine cabinet is fine. The dark, because you won't be opening and closing this bottle repeatedly the same way you would this. It doesn't necessarily need to be refrigerated because it's kind of cool enough, and we want this one more to be refrigerated if possible, because the coolness will help to hold the gas down into the liquid. Now, for how to make the activated drops. So bring our little table here, and we have our dosing cup. So here we use the cup because it's a clean, dry container. And you're going to take equal amounts of this and equal amounts of that together. So here we're planning on making a 1 ounce solution. So per 1 ounce of solution, it is 2 drops, or 1 drop per half ounce. So there's 1 and 2. So this one is basically the salt. This one is the one with the qualities that we're looking for. Oh, the camera. Did it see that? Hey. Oh, sorry about these camera issues. All right. And then we're going to take here 2 drops of the activator. 1, 2. Try to allow the 2 drops to come into direct contact with each other. What we want is for the drops to meet each other and for these 2 substances to intermingle. So I'm also shaking it here a little bit. And you'll see that it becomes kind of a dark brown amber color. And so let that react, let that intermingle. Could be 30 or 40 seconds, up to 3 minutes. And then add 1 ounce of water per 2 drops, or a half ounce per 1 drop. So if you want to do the math, you could make a whole water bottle of it. But I have another video for that. Or just make this small amount. There we go, at one time. So there, that's a 1 ounce. And then What I like to do here is we'll swish it and then swallow. I'll swish shortly instead of swishing as long. Usually like a 30-second swish. There, fair enough. By breathing in also, that helps to open those sinuses and airway passages. So that's basically it. That's how to use your kit. We have the different syringes also for dosing for animals and children. So you can easily just suck some of that solution up out of this in order to spray it into your pet's mouth, or put it in their little food bowl, or for children dosing, or there's so many uses for this stuff. So that's basically it. Keeping the video short. Thanks for believing. You're going to love this stuff. Go ahead and give it a try.